Let's take a look at two 18th century books about reading and speaking. We're going to sell these as a pair. This first one here is Lectures on the Art of Reading, London, 1781, by Thomas Sheridan. And we see the book is clean, tight, and sound. So, nice period binding, 18th century or early 19th century. Joints are cracked, but the boards are still firmly attached by the binding cords. And then, as a companion to it, The Art of Speaking, but this book is quite a bit more interesting from a bibliographic point of view, in that the imprint is Newburyport, 1782, which for an American imprint is fairly early. It appears to be almost certainly in a period 18th century American binding. An annotation of collation at the front notes that there appear to be two lacking leaves, one at page 140 and one at page 151. So those two leaves are not here, as is often the case. Actually, it's 145. Right, so it's lacking a leaf here. 18th century books like this, as we can see, often display signs of really heavy usage, and this is a good example of how 18th century American imprints often survive. These are very interesting wood engravings, and they could well be American, and that adds also another level of interest to a book like this. But these two go together by theme, and we see here some early inscription by an early owner. And at the rear, we have, what is this here? Ah, yes, look at this. This is a short little catalog of the book dealer. And here's a little advertisement for a book that was just published. There's an index still at the end of this book that appears to be complete. And so these two books, Reading and Speaking, are now available as a pair online from me, Brian DeMambro.